Good morning. Hi guys. So it's Friday and normally in school we'd call this Fish Finger Friday, but you might not be having fish fingers today if you're not having school dinners. Obviously we're at home, so it's all a bit strange, but we're going to change it to Fun Friday, okay? So we're going to start our maths video today with a song, but I've got a grumpy bear. He doesn't want to join in. He's covering up his eyes and he says that he's not going to do his maths today. Oh, come on, Bear, you can do it. Can you encourage him at home, children? After 3, say, come on, Bear. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Bear. Should we do it one more time? 1, 2, 3. Come on, Bear. Oh, hooray! We've got our bear. And he's going to help us today to do our little maths warm-up. So, you know the song, The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round? We're going to sing that song, but we're going to change it. So we're not going to say the wheels on the bus. We're going to say the people on the bus. And then we're going to say get on and off. And then we're going to do a little bit of problem solving. So, do you think you could hold the bus, Mr. Bear, now that you're joining in and trying your best? There we go. Good, Bear. Oh, should we give him a little clap? Well done, Mr. Bear. Right then. I've got some little animals here. I've got an ostrich. I've got a fox, a crocodile, and a dog. And I've got one more. I have got a pig. And we're going to use these animals as our passengers on the bus, okay? So we're going to sing. The people on the bus get on and off, on and off, on and off. The people on the bus get on and off all day long. Right, we've got some passengers who have joined us on the bus. Can you see? Shall we count them? We've got 1, 2, 3 people on the bus, or animals on the bus. Now, one more is going to get on. We have 3. What's one more than 3? It's 4, isn't it? Well done, because if I add one more like this, and I count, so we had 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we've got the crocodile. Okay, you ready? The people on the bus get on and off, on and off, on and off. The people on the bus get on and off all day long. Oh, now the crocodile wants to get off to go into the river. Okay, because crocodiles like to go into rivers. So if I take one away, how many will we have? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1 less than 4? It's 3, because if I take one away, I've got 1, 2, 3 left. Right, the crocodile's changed his mind. He wants to get back onto the bus. So there are now, let's count, more people. And there's even a fox. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 creatures on the bus and one's going to get on. We have 5. What is 1 more than 5? It's 6, isn't it? I'm going to put a kangaroo on. Oh, I didn't show you that one at the beginning. Okay, ready? The people on the bus get on and off, on and off, on and off. The people on the bus get on and off all day long. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to take one away because one wants to get off. It's the kangaroo this time. If I have 6 and I take one away, what would be 1 less than 6? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very super. Give yourself a little clap, everybody. And Mr. Bear for trying very hard. Okay, now we're going to have a look at our number bonds that we've been thinking about this week. Now, we've got something new today. This here is called a part, whole model. Can you say that? Part, whole model. And the reason it's called this is because if we put a number in the top, so the number 5, because that's the number we've been thinking about this week, 5 is the whole, the big number altogether, and these are the parts, okay? These are the bits that you can use to add things together to make 5. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 counters in this part. So I have got 4 in this side. Well, actually, I can use my number cards today. I've got 4 in this side, and I need to work out what is missing. So what I've got to do is I've got to work out how many more I need to make 5. Now what I could do is arrange my counters in a pneumocon shape, because we know that a pneumocon shape has 5 holes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can remember that little pattern, can't we? And that just reminds us that number 5 has got 5 holes in it. So we've got 4, and we need to work out how many more we need to make 5. So I'm going to put 1 in here to try it. 1, 2, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 1 more makes 5. Oh, that was lucky that time. 4 and 1 makes 5. Okay, let's have another go with another one. Okay, this time I'm going to put the number 3 in my part whole model, and I'm going to count 3 counters in here. Are you ready? Let's use the pink this time. 1, 2, 2, 3. And remember, I can arrange it like my pneumocon tiles. That makes it a bit easier to remember. So I've got 3 in here. Now I need to work out what's missing to make my number 1 5. So 3 and something equals 5. So I've got 3. And now what I could do is count on using my fingers, couldn't I? Or I could use my counters. So 3, and now we're going to count on 4, 5. Oh, let's count all together to make sure that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That equals 5. So I've got 3 on this side, and I've got how many on this side? 1, 2. There we go. So I know that 3 and 2 makes 5. Now, your activity today is to go outside, go on a walk, and I want you to collect some natural bits and pieces. So you could collect 5 twigs, 5 stones, 5 leaves, 5 flowers, wildflowers, remember, not people's garden flowers. You could collect 5 natural things from outside, and then I would like you to make a part whole model, just like mine. So what you will need to do is to draw 3 circles just like this. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 1 at the top, 3, and then put the lines to join it together, because that tells you that we add these 2 to make a total. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write the number 5 at the very top, and then you're going to explore different ways of making 5 with your findings that you find outside. So your sticks, your twigs, your stones, whatever it is that you get. So it's a good reason to go for a walk, get some exercise, and forage, find some things that are interesting. I'm interested to see what you find as well, because it's winter time. There's not as much sort of colour outside at the moment. So I look forward to finding out what you find and using it to for a purpose for your maths today. Now, this is the last maths that I'm doing with you this week. Next week it's back to Miss Dolby. So I have to say goodbye now, but well done everybody for your amazing maths this week. And bye from Mr. Bear. We've been very impressed with you, haven't we, children? Yes, we have, haven't we, Mr. Bear? So have a lovely weekend, everybody. And don't forget, hot chocolate with Mr. Winterburn at 10 o'clock today. Don't forget. Bye, everyone.